Hey everyone, and welcome to Shuriken Skills number 46 here in the Work Smarter Not Harder dojo with me, Tony Harmer, aka the Design Ninja. What we'll be looking at today as the second of our multi-part special is using on-image editing in Photoshop to tune a black and white adjustment. So I've got this image here, it's another image from Adobe Stock, and I'm going to go to my adjustments panel. And then I'm going to click for a black and white adjustment. And just as before in yesterday's movie, just up at the top here, we've got another instance of what I like to call stapler accident finger. Okay, and if I click on that, then we can edit on image. So for example, the red here of this beautiful bird, I'd like to lift that and make it brighter. So if I mouse down and drag across to the right, you can see how it's increasing the lightness of that. Similarly, in the background, the greens, I might want to change those, so you can see I can darken those down, just clicking in some different areas here. Bear in mind that some of the colors in the background are present in the bird as well, so I'm not going to go too far just there. There should be some yellow in this region on the right here, and in fact if I turn the adjustment off just for a moment and click back on, I can now come along and mouse down on that and then drag outwards. Of course, yellow is a slight component, of course, of the green in the background, so a little bit of backwards and forwards there, but you can see how easy it is to come along and tune this particular adjustment. And that's your Shuriken skill to practice today, but for now we're done, and I'll see you tomorrow for another Shuriken Skills episode. See ya.